Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beauty. I am too hot. Uh-oh, here. Oh no. Okay. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Let's do a makeup and get my day going. And I want to do a little bit different today. I want to do a little bit different. You know, I saw one, I feel very inspired by one. There is something quite, in Chinese WeChat, from time to time, you see stories, you see something trending, and I think this is a very inspiring story. No matter how true it is, I do not know. All the stories take the good thing of it. There was one countryside boy, and he liked to do a fashion walk. Was from then he started to do makeup and things, and end up becoming the most influential fashion walker fashion star. What I am trying to say, if you make an effort in anything, you can make into something. The point is not that you become a fashion star, but the courage and the courage and hope, dream is inspiring. Do I make any sense? I am not saying that we all become fashion model. We all have a good future. We all make fashion video. What I want to say is that there is always something hope in this world, no matter what is going on, with all the things that makes us not happy. If you decide to see the side of not happy, and if you decide to see the side of happiness, of encouragement, of good things, of positivity, you will always get something positive out of it. Do I make any sense? And so that is my silly thought on it. Be happy with what we are living in. I am very happy. Imagine the internet gave us a new world. You can do your fashion walk in your backyard. If you are interested in some particular knowledge, you can learn to paint, you can learn to learn philosophy, you can learn anything. And I am so blessed. I am an elementary school teacher, and I can learn high school math I can learn so many things, which is totally not useful. But if you want to do something, there is no limit. I am not becoming a high school math teacher. That is not my dream. But you have interest, you can do. I am not becoming Picasso. I am not becoming Van Gogh. I am not selling my art as the modern artist. Put a piece of dirt on a black or on a white canvas and sell for billions. I am not doing this, but still I can enjoy. I mean, everyone can do what they want to do. That's the point. Okay, let me try a little bit different today. Let me see if I can make it right. I think I have high enough cheekbone already. I kind of do not need it, but it doesn't hurt to try it. Right? What can go wrong? Is that so? Oh, this is a little bit bluish, and this one is a little bit reddish, warm color, and cold color is not the best. So we will end up an outfit of the day for today. And also another good thing, we are taking care of the deck. So the deck outside has no table on it, and I can have more room to walk. Okay, let's do it. With a bag. Now let's put it down.